Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a greeting card for Women's Day. For this I have taken a purple color paper which I have folded into half. Then mark points at 9 cm from both the sides. Then I am marking points at equidistant intervals. Draw curves as shown to join the points. Cut along the outline. Now cut out a piece of white A4 paper and glue it inside as shown. Next I am marking points at 1 cm intervals and drawing lines as shown. I am going to make some small hearts and dots here. Now place an extra piece of paper as shown and draw an outline. Now I am going to cut out a thin strip of white paper, fold as shown. Draw and cut the paper. Now I have got 8 small hearts. We can now stick these to the card. I am adding some designs here to make it look more beautiful. I have also drawn a bow at the bottom. You can write whatever message you want inside the card. Here I am writing W wonderful, O outstanding, M marvelous, E enterprising and N nurturing. You can highlight everything using yellow color to make this look more good. Where there is a woman, there is magic. Now I am writing Happy Women's Day at the bottom. Finally, I am decorating it using pink brush pen. And our card for Women's Day is now ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.